Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'm happy to collab with one of my favorite YouTube channels, Ellen's Homemade Delights. Today we'll be preparing some of our favorite Mardi Gras dishes. So after watching this video, head on over to Ellen's Homemade Delight and see what she's cooking up. Today I'll be making shrimp and sausage gumbo. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. You will need 1.5 pounds of shrimp, 1 pound of andouille sausage, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 6 cups of chicken stock, 2 stalks of celery, 1 onion, 1 green bell pepper, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 jalapeno pepper, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme, 1 teaspoon of gumbo filet, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. First, we will start by making a dry roux. Add the flour to a cast iron skillet, then transfer to your preheated oven. Allow your flour to cook for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, or until it has reached a cinnamon-like color. Remove the flour from the oven, then transfer it to a bowl. Whisk in 1 cup of your chicken stock, then set it aside until later. Add the oil to the Dutch oven, then using medium-high heat, bring your oil to temperature. Now add the celery, bell pepper, onion, and jalapeno pepper, then saute until they are just translucent. Add the garlic and sausage and continue to saute for an additional 2 minutes. Now add the roux and continue to cook for an additional 2 minutes. Pour in the chicken stock, then bring to a boil. Now season with the salt, pepper, gumbo filet, cayenne pepper, thyme. Add your bay leaves and mix well. Reduce your heat to low, then cover and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add the shrimp, cover, and allow it to cook for an additional 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it is ready to serve. Don't forget to search the hashtag Mardi Gras Collab and head on over to Ellen's Homemade Delights and see what she's cooking up for Mardi Gras. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.